Frequently asked questions. 2. Connection method of swing wind motor. The wind motor on the main board provides two interfaces, left and right. Both left and right interfaces, 12V power supply on both the upper and lower ends. Plug the wind cable into the lower end of the motherboard interface. Power on, open the damper, indicating that the wind connection cable is reversed. Unplug the cable and rotate it 180 degrees and insert it into the upper end of the motherboard interface. Power on, close the damper, indicating that the wind connection cable is correct. Special note, usually the red line on the wind motor plug is 12V. If the pendulum leaves close in place and continue to rotate, a screw can be placed on the lower plastic shell of the pendulum to block the positioning.